The decision to go digital was something that we were very careful and deliberate about. When you look at the market, the number of specimens that need to be analyzed is going up. The volume of pathologists practicing in the U.S. is going down. It means for that patient a much faster response. It does make the pathologist faster. It was universally adopted by our pathologists who all love it. And it also resonates very loudly with hospital systems who understand the speed and expertise advantage, and you can potentially capture business and provide diagnostic services to rural environments that might otherwise be left without pathology providers. So there's a lot to think about when you're considering the capital outlay for going digital. There are barriers, there's a fear factor, there's a change of aversion that a lot of pathologists have.
We needed to make it seamless for the pathologists. We were concerned that they wouldn't take to using the digital systems to review slides.
Number one driver is the software functional to replace the microscope? Concentric absolutely is. You can see everything you need to see, and you can learn to use it within minutes, really. It's very user-friendly. But the next one is that part about being scanner agnostic and also being able to present artificial intelligence algorithms through one platform to the pathologist. And we want the pathologist to have an experience where concentric is the lens through which they see that data, rather than having to move in and out of disparate systems. The final decision to go with Proscia as the provider for what we need in this space was asking ourselves, does this vendor, does this company, software solution provider, give us what we need to move forward, and are they responsive and knowledgeable of the space, and do they seem like they are capable of flexibility in the future?
When we met with the Proscia technical team and we did the proof of concept with them, it became clear that they shared a lot of those values with us.
What we're trying to build is the ability to not just be digital today, but leave the nuts and bolts loose so that we can move into the future. And that's a big part of our relationship with Proscia. The ability to move into the AI space, which could become, in the future, standard of care, or it could become demanded by oncologists or surgeons or other clinicians. It's prerequisite that you are digital before you apply algorithms. There's more than that. Longitudinal information across the patient's journey is very valuable. And it's very valuable in understanding novel therapeutic drug agents. It's very valuable in understanding the response that a patient has with given genetic defects. It's the image data, which can be used for deep learning models to identify these patients without more expensive testing. Perhaps there are new and novel strategies or ways that a healthcare services and diagnostics company, in partnership with a software and research company, can do new things that we haven't even thought of yet. And that's part of the shared vision with Proscia.